Pt1. My name is Ken Hunter.
Well, I
Also
love
known as
the
Zephyr
range,
Fair.
but that's
The 36 chambers.
obviously
What we're
not.
going to do today, we're going to do a
Well, I
turkey
need
fabrication. So the holidays are here.
turkey,
So what you're going to do first, you want to make sure that you secure your
a lot of
okay?
vegetables.
So what I've done, I just have a towel right here. We just dapped it quickly. What this is going to do is going to secure your board. So just put it here. Board doesn't slide. Board here, turkeys are heavy, 15, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, depends on how big the turkey is. You don't want your board sliding.
Yeah.
So what you want to do, you just want to put the board here.
I forgot the
Board is
Parmesan
secure.
cheese.
You got your mise en place. What do you have here? You got your knife, you have your steel, chef knives, tongs, boning knives. Everything's ready. Get your gloves on. One of the things about turkey is RTE. What do we call RTE? RTE is ready to eat food. So you want to make sure your gloves are on. Why do you want your gloves on? You want to protect your friends and family. You don't want them to get sick. Okay?
Depends how, I mean, I would
Down some turkey.
might be slow.
Why not try to take it to the back?
Okay, that's cool.
So what we have here, we have a perfectly cooked turkey roasted. And this technique is called in the bag. So whenever you cook anything in the bag, you're going to have what's left over, what we call the OU. This is the natural juice of the turkey. You want to say this is very, very precious. This is like culinary gold right here. And the cabinet, lift it out.
And where's that lighter that we like to stir on pans with?
It was in the drawer on the floor, right by the spoon, underneath the plastic spoon area. Did you find it?
I need a fork. Could you give me one of those forks too? I got taste something like that.
So we ready to the turkey eat today? So we have two containers here. So the best way to do that is you want to have a dark side and a light side. Okay. So you start with the legs first. Use my boning knife. You see that the turkey is moving. That's why we secured the board. Breaking down the turkey isn't necessarily hard, but it is a lot of work. So what this brings me to mind is, I like Floyd Mayweather. So what's happening with Floyd Mayweather? You see him in the ring, you see him dancing, you see him bouncing. But what you don't see, you never see him working. He's always in the gym working. He's doing sit-ups, he's doing push-ups, he's working the heavy bag, he's working the speed bag. You never see that. This is the ugly part of everything he do. Sure, he's a millionaire. Sure, he has multi-million-dollar car, multi-million-dollar home. But what you don't see, he's putting in work. So this is the ugly part. So you rather do this in the kitchen. After you bring your turkey out, you want to take the turkey back in so you can really get in there and break the turkey down. So now we've separated the two leg quarters. Very easy, you just want to ride them down. So one other thing you want to do, turkeys are kind of a big bird, turkeys, geese, ducks, they're kind of a big bird, so you want to help your friends and family out. You want to just take that and just go ahead and